Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's SLP update for Sunday 24th of April. Okay, so here we are, and yesterday I talked about how SLP does have a falling wedge on the 1 hour time frame. So you start to go up, come down, go up, come down like this, and then you form the wedge and you broke out of the wedge, came down, and now you're moving sideways potentially. Logically speaking, it has to go to this level, which is going to be the 178. So I'm going to actually drop in a blue line right over there. So yeah, do anticipate that this falling wedge might play out because it is in play right now. It is not invalidated. And one thing that is very, very clear potentially is that you're having a low here and a lower low right there. Okay, so you might have a little bit of a small uptrend like this, a little bit of an uptrend to go to the upside. So it will be a relief. It's a relief that actually deserves to be given at the moment, in my opinion. So let's see where this falling wedge actually does take you. Can it play out or not? Given that you do want to use a stop loss here at the 153, okay, that's the last point of hope, because if you start to lose the 153, then you go all the way to the downside to the 146 and whatnot, okay. There's still possibilities that actually you don't go to the upside and you just go to the downside, because this is still a technical target for a long time now, okay, for a long time coming. Now, of course, we're gonna have to watch how Bitcoin does behave in the space, but that's the 1 hour time frame story. Let's look at what we have on the 4 hour time frame as well. So on the 4 hour time frame, you do have some sort of a bullish harami candlestick, which is here, which is at the 157 basically. So if you start to take out this last point, because these two candlesticks combined are actually bullish, they mean reversal to the upside, okay. It's known as bullish harami candlestick. So if you start to actually form something like this, you've already formed a falling wedge, boom. So logically it does make sense for SLP to go to the upside, and if it does go like that to the upside, who knows, you might be putting in a nice beautiful double bottom, okay. You might be putting in a double bottom, and if it starts to break out of it, then that's it. I think the uptrend is actually due from this place. So that's it for this quick update, guys. Put a stop loss at the 153. Whatever comes down there, maybe there is a chance of going to the 178, and I'm gonna see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.